Hey guys, today we're going to talk about percent change, section 6-7. Now, when we talk about percent change, we're finding how much something changes compared to its original amount. If you think of shows like The Biggest Loser, where people try to lose weight, they use percent change so that they can see how much the person has lost in comparison to what weight they started at. This makes it a little more fair for all the contestants. So what is percent change? Well, when a number changes from its original number, we can find the percent change. So we really want to focus on the original number and how much it's changed. So what we really need to know is that the percent change is the amount of change over the original number. I'd like you to pause the movie now, write down percent change, and then write this formula for how we will be calculating percent change. Great. Let's try some. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 says, find each percent change. All right. Well, how would we do that? Let's think back to the formula. I'm going to first find out how much the number changed, and I'm going to put that over the original amount, or the original number. Let's look at number 1. I can see that my number went from 100 to 114. I notice in my head that that's a change of 14. If you need to, you might actually need to write the numbers on the side to subtract them. So it changed 14, and the original number was actually 100. Wow, they made this pretty easy for us. We know a percent is out of 100, so we know that that percent change is 14%. In other problems, you might want to divide the top number by the bottom number. In this case, we would get 0.14, and we know that is 14%. Copy the formula, the fraction, and the answer into your notes. Let's try number 2 together. Again, we are looking for the change over the original amount. Well, I need to see how much we changed from 1,500 to 1,416. So 1,500, 1,416. I'm going to need to subtract and borrow. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. And it looks like my total change is 84. I put that over the original amount, which is 1,500. In an effort to save time, I'm going to do this really quickly. 84 divided by 1,500. My answer is 0.056. So what percent change is that? Well, I know a percent is in the hundredths place. If I move the decimal 2 points, I can see that this would be 5.6%. That's the percent change from 1,500 to 1,416. Take a minute to make sure you have both of these examples copied into your notes. Here are some to try on your own. Solve these problems finding percent change. Remember, it's how much the number changes over where it started, or the original number. Please submit your answers to the online form.